my dog. Go play. Go play. Come on. What's up, guys? So I have not been wanting to share this because I don't particularly like the truck offset accessories, but I am going to show y'all what I have on my car to help pull down some cost for you whenever you're doing a swap and you're wanting to use a truck-based engine. So what you can use, I'm popping the hood on my car. So this is an L99, which is a 2010 Camaro SS motor, and because of VVT, it requires you, it requires you to have the truck set offset accessories. So this is a 2010 Camaro SS water pump from the automatic. Like I said, this is using the VVT motor. So if you use this water pump, you're gonna have to use this tensioner. And then if you use the Camaro SS alternator bracket and alternator, you can use truck offset accessories. So maybe that'll help save you some money in the long run, instead of having to go to Camaro, the 2002 offset, because there's 3 different offsets. So you have the Corvette offset, which is the closest. Then you have Camaro. Well, let's go back some. So the Corvette, I think the G8, the Cts-v from, I think all the Cts-vs, including the supercharged, all have the same belt offset. And then you have the Camaro, the Trans Am, the GTO. Can't think of any other car that uses the middle offset. And then with the truck offset, like I said, the L99 from a Camaro, if you get those, if you get the accessories from that, you'll be able to run them. It does protrude a good bit further than it needs to, but you can still make it work until you can afford to get the other accessories, or maybe you don't need them. But I prefer having as much room as possible, so that's why whenever I had my twin turbo setup, I actually used Corvette offset because I needed all the room that I could get. So I just figured I'd share that real quick, and I'll see y'all next time.